Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your profile picture on Ubisoft Connect. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the official Ubisoft website. Once you're there, sign into your Ubisoft Connect account. After logging in, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Management. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your account settings. Next, click on Account Information to access your profile details. On this page, click on this link to get redirected to the new Ubisoft website. Here, locate your current profile picture and click on it. Ubisoft no longer allows custom image uploads, so you'll need to choose from the available preset avatars. Browse through the available options and select the one you prefer. Once you've chosen your new profile picture, confirm your selection. Your profile picture will update instantly. So that's basically how you can change your profile picture on Ubisoft Connect. That's it for this video. Thanks.